Welcome back to another video. I have had a lot of people asking me why am I not posting any Z content, why are they not really seeing anything, why are there no updates. So this video is going to be an update on my 370Z. If you watched my previous videos, you know that I took off the carbon fiber from my car and I am now storing it for the winter season until April. Sad moment for the car. The Z is stored, won't be getting touched for a while. The only thing I'm waiting on is my Amuse body kit. So I ordered it back on September 11th, so we are now coming up on 12 weeks since I ordered it. So fingers crossed it should be shipping sometime this week. And we shipped it to Montana, so we have to drive to Montana and then we're going to bring it back here. I originally bought the kit separately, so I bought the kit and then I bought the wing through a different company. And then it was cheaper to order the wing like here because of the sale they were having. So that has already arrived, so we're going to take a look at that. Here's the wing. It's been sitting in our living room for maybe like 2 or 3 weeks now. And I'm waiting for the whole kit to come in before we go ahead and paint it. But for now, we're just letting it sit here. I was kind of worried when it showed up at our front door. The box was really damaged and there was almost like a big dent in the side. So I was very concerned seeing it and opening it that the carbon was going to be damaged. But they packed it super well, and as far as I can tell now, like, it's in perfect condition. So I'm very happy about that. I haven't yet held the wing up to the car just to kind of see it. I've kind of been waiting till a little bit of the snow melted off my car. So I'm going to pull the cover off, and then while I'm recording, we're going to hold the wing up and just kind of see what it would look like. I didn't end up getting to put the wing on my car the other day because it started snowing as soon as I was going to do that. So I quit and I left it for another day. It is now another day and it's not snowing. It's really cold, but I can't wait any longer to put this wing on my car and just see how it looks. So I have it laid out and we're gonna brush the snow off my car and then try it and see how it looks. We are bundled up, ready to take the cover off. I tried one. Oh, they're both right here. Dun dun dun. I'm so excited. It was way too windy when I was recording this clip, but I'm pretty sure what I was saying is the fitment on this wing is actually pretty good. A lot better than what I expected. The only thing I have to fix is that you can see the scratches from where my previous duckbill was, so I'll have to get that fixed before mounting the wing. But overall, I love how it looks, and I can't wait to put it on. I have no words. I am so excited. I am so ready for this summer season and for it to be all done. My hands are freezing, my face is freezing, I am freezing, but it was 100% worth it. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm just waiting on the rest of my kit to come in. It'll be in the new year when I pick it up and start working on it. But obviously, as I know more, I will have an update video for you. Till next time, peace out.